welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and if this is your first time stumbling across one of my videos, I usually focus on fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, fragrances, and pretty much whatever else I feel like talking about. So if that seems like something that you may be interested in, please think about clicking on that subscribe button if you enjoy the content, of course. Also, if you're already a subscriber, go ahead and click on that notification bell. I tend to upload once or twice a week on Sundays and Thursdays, so I don't want you to miss a video. So today's video is going to be a small luxury haul, and I have two pieces here from Louis Vuitton. Usually I try not to just do hauls on just like one item, but this item that I have, one of them I had been on the waiting list for a while, so I'm going to show it. But this other piece, y'all, it was not on my radar, and when I tried it on, I was like, this is literally the perfect item in Louis Vuitton. Like, you will never regret this. It is everything. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, then stick around. Okay, y'all, so like I said, this is a double unboxing. I'm gonna start off with the item that I had been on the wait list for a long time, and honestly, you can never order this item online. It's always sold out, and in my store it was always sold out. Now, I do know that the Atlanta store would get it in every now and then, but I don't have an essay there, and yeah, it was just too much of a hassle. So I just waited on it because it is a classic item. It's always gonna be there. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this is the box that it comes in. Let me go ahead and rip off the ribbon. Y'all, I've had this stuff for a little while now, and I'm just now opening it. So yeah, sorry. Okay, y'all, so this is the first item, and this is the dust bag. And this is just the, I think it's Nice or Nice cosmetic case. This is always sold out, you guys. So the reason why I got this is because I recently cleared out all of my makeup. You guys probably know I moved. It's been months now. But because I have not been settled in the house, furniture has been on hold and everything, I've gotten used to literally just doing my makeup standing up and realizing I don't need all the things, because I used to do my makeup at my vanity, and I just had like my vanity full of makeup, things I never really use, all these different eyeshadows and things, you know, when you only use brown. So I cleared out everything, and I'm like, this would be nice just to house all of my makeup in. I haven't tried yet. Right now I just have it in this like plastic container that I got from Ross, and everything fits in there, and I have my brushes in a brush pouch. So really condensed everything down. So I'm hoping everything will fit in here, and of course you can use this as a travel case as well. I have seen people wear these as handbags. I probably won't do that. I don't like the size of it for that, and it's a little bit dented right here, so it probably needs to be stuffed. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I was actually thinking about getting the mini, but it was just the price difference didn't make any sense to me. So let me know down below, is it Nice or Nice? I should have asked my friend what they actually call this, but they have this in a few different sizes. So they have this in the nano size, which is $880. They also have it in the mini, which I was thinking about getting, which is $1150. Then they also have this size, which is called the Nice or Nice BB. This is $1290. And then they have the Nice vanity that looks exactly like this, but it has a strap, and it goes for $2,990. I feel like the price difference is just really crazy between this and just adding a vachetta strap to that. Also between the mini toiletry that's smaller than this significantly, going for $1150, why not just get the $1290? So they always had like those other two in store, but I'm like, this is like the perfect medium, and it's worth the price in my opinion. Again, a very classic piece. So I haven't even opened this up. I don't know if it comes with a lock or not. I need to ask. It doesn't look like it comes with a lock, you guys, but this is what the inside looks like. It's just plain, and it has this zipper at the top, so you can put like a mirror or maybe like eyeliners, things like that up here. So that's really nice, or maybe some lashes or something. And then I like the fact that if I do travel with this, I can put my perfumes in here and they can stand up. So that's really nice. It also has two pockets here. Not sure if you guys can see that right there. So yeah, I think this is a really good price. And again, this is definitely a classic piece, a part of like the luggage collection, you know what I mean? So if you are building a luggage collection from Louis Vuitton, this is a very nice piece to have. And again, it's like the perfect size. I definitely need to see if I can stuff this to get this little crease out, because I don't like that at all. But yeah, this is what it is. So I wanted to pull this up on my phone to give you guys the dimensions of this. The length of this one is 9.4 inches. It is 6.7 inches tall, and it's 5.1 inches wide. Okay, so again, this is the monogram coated canvas. You all know that, the iconic you know, Louis Vuitton canvas. It also has the cowhide leather trim, which is the vachetta leather, so it will patina over time. And there are things you can put on this to make sure that it patinas pretty naturally and evenly. But because I will be using this as a makeup case, I'm not too worried about it, like, you know, doing what it does, because you know, my hands are probably not gonna be the cleanest all the time when I am grabbing this. So yeah, I do love this. It does not come with a lock though. So if you do get the one that's like $2,990, it's the same size, but it comes with a lock and also a thick strap. So that's the only difference. To me, it's just not worth over $1,000 more for that. But yeah, that's just my opinion. So yeah, I really love this so much. Can't wait to see if everything fits in here. I definitely need to try that out. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I'm sure so many of you guys have this. Let me know how practical it is in your life, and you know, are you able to use it for all the things you thought you would, or did you buy this and you regretted it for whatever reason? Leave those comments down below, because I'm very interested in hearing about it. Okay, so this is the item that I'm super excited about, you guys. OMG, when we open this, it's gonna be everything, okay? I promise you. Like, you guys have probably seen this before. You've seen both of these items, honestly, but this particular item I am super excited about. I haven't been excited about something like this in a while, just because it's so perfect. So y'all, here it is in the dust bag. I am so excited about this handbag. This was the last one in our store, but I do believe that they like continue to restock this bag, because like I said, I went in there, I wasn't even looking for this bag. I was picking up the vanity and saw this, tried it on. I've seen it a few times, like on TikTok and Instagram and stuff like that, but it was just like, you know, do I need that? I didn't even think about wanting or needing it. When they brought this bag out, I was like, OMG, I tried it on and it fits so perfectly, y'all. So this is it. You probably already know what it is. Look at this bag. How stinking cute is this? I'm gonna wear it today. You can see it's brand new. It even still has like the little plastic here. And I like just the little detailing. So this is called the Louis Vuitton Loop, I believe. Let me pull it up just to be sure. Yes, this is called the Loop. It retails for $2,370, and I think that's a really decent price. Of course, it's not, you know, inexpensive. It is a luxury item, but it is so versatile, you guys. Like, this bag is perfect in every way. The design, the construction, everything. Okay, so first off, it comes with a chain strap that is the perfect size, okay? This fits on my shoulder, so it definitely gives it like early 2000s vibe. Love that. You can also just kind of hold it like this, and it's the perfect size too. It's like a little bit larger than a mini, you know what I mean? Especially with the shape and everything, you can fit a ton of things in here. Also, I like the fact that they added the Louis Vuitton logo here on the zipper in the front. Like, just another nice touch. I also like the fact that it has the vachetta leather in small, you know, quantities on this bag, not too much, but it still gives it that iconic classic vibe. It's classic while also still being very trendy, kind of edgy, and also young too, but anybody could wear this bag. So opening it up, now the zipper is a little stiff on this, but it is brand new, so we'll see. Also love the fact that it comes with a strap. Y'all know how these luxury brands are, especially Louis Vuitton. They want you to pay for the straps, girl. So anytime I can get a strap with my handbag, I'm all for it. So here is the strap, and I love the fact that it's adjustable, and it's adjustable with snaps. It's not just some flimsy type of throw in the bag type of strap. You know, it's actually a really nice strap. You can wear this crossbody, you can wear this on your shoulder, you can, I mean, just so many things. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach this. And it has the toggle. You know, we love that, so that, you know, when you put it on, it doesn't matter, like when it flips around and stuff. This is what that looks like. How cute. Another thing that I love about this chain is that when you do put this strap on, the chain falls perfectly. Sometimes, like on my multi-pochette accessory, or whatever it's called, you know, the one that has the thick strap, army green thick strap, that chain on there is nice because I like to wear the bag without the thick strap. But when it's just on and I have the thick strap, it hangs like really far down on the bag. So you can just tell it wasn't like well thought out, you know what I mean? But of course you can wear that bag in so many different ways. You can wear this bag in a lot of different ways too. This is probably, if you're gonna go monogram, I would recommend this bag over all bags. And I have the Alma BB and I love it. That's in the Damier Bean, but I feel like this bag is just perfect, y'all. So I'm gonna wear it today. I'm gonna do some mod shots for y'all. Okay, y'all, so I pulled up the specs on this bag. Now, right now online it's not available, but it was just online 3 days ago, so keep checking back. This bag came out in 2022. As you can see, it's the croissant shape. The length of this one is 9.1 inches. It is 5.1 inches in height and 2.4 inches in width. Of course, it has the monogram coated canvas that we all know and love. I'm sorry, the lining is microfiber. It's not suede, but it feels like suede, honestly. But it's microfiber. I feel like they could have did suede, but you know, whatever. I just love this bag, y'all. So when I try it on the multiple different ways, you will see how versatile it is. And even for a person that's plus size like myself, I wear a size 14 and the straps are just so good, okay? So let me stuff the bag with what I'm gonna wear today, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like on. So I'm gonna show y'all actually how I stuff the bag. I mean, it's a normal size bag. Let me put my love money in here. So I'm gonna take my little key pouch, but I use this as a card holder. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Oh, I had some more money, look at me. I never have cash, y'all, so that's exciting. I always bring my Hello Kitty mirror, so I'm gonna throw that in there. Let's see, gonna take a pen. OMG, more money, wow. I'm just throwing the money in here because it doesn't have pockets. This is my car key, throw that in there. My hand lotion, throw that in there. And this is what we're looking like so far. We still have plenty of space. Hand sanitizer, cause child, the monkey pox. Like, what is going on in the world? What's going on, y'all? It's too much for me, I'm tired. And then of course, all of my lip products. I know I'm not the only one that has like 1,000,001 lip products. So this is like my everyday lip balm. This is a lipstick that I love to like use as a topper from Lip Lab. Throw that in there. My Fenty gloss. I have my Pat McGrath. This is my favorite nude right now. Throw that in there. Okay, we're getting full. Then I don't need this, I don't think. This is a Pat McGrath lip gloss. I don't really need this, but I'm gonna stick it in here anyway just to see what all it fits. And then this is Just by MAC. I've had this for years, but I'm loving wearing this as a topper because it's like a metallic. So throw that in there. And of course, my chestnut lip liner, okay? So this is what the bag is looking like. It zips perfectly fine. And it's so perfect. Like, what else do you need? I can put my mask in here if I need to as well. It's not like bulging or anything like that, y'all. It's just literally so perfect. So today I'm just wearing a white short set, like a vest and some linen shorts. And I'm just gonna add this as kind of like my pop of color, my like casual, cool vibe, and probably just some like white sandals or something. So let's go ahead and get dressed and I'm gonna show you guys some mod shots. Okay, y'all, so here is the bag, and you can see like with the chain, the drop is literally perfect, right? Like, it's comfortable, very early 2000s. I'm loving this so much. So this is how it looks if I want to wear it a little bit more casually. Drop still absolutely perfect. Now this is all the way, like, this is the shortest I believe that the vachetta can go, and it's perfect. It like hits right at the waist. Absolutely perfect, okay? Then you can adjust this. You just unsnap it and you can make it as long as you want. Like, this is all the way adjusted crossbody. Isn't that crazy? Like, the bag is literally perfect in every single way. So you can take this from day to night. You can also do this like at the mall. This can be like, you know, if you're going to a game or something like that, you need to wear a crossbody. Like amusement park, so many things, because it's casual, but the shape just gives it a little bit of interest. Also, this little Louis detailing here, it's just so cute, y'all. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this bag. It's the perfect one. I have not seen a more perfect Louis bag in a very long time. So I love this. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I'm gonna wear it all the way short how I had it, just because I like that. I like that vibe. So yeah, it has the snaps. Let me show y'all. See that little snap closure? It's gonna snap it up. All right, y'all, so that is the end of my Louis Vuitton double unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Also, let me know if you have the vanity case, and also if you have the loop bag. How are you liking these bags? Any regrets, any issues if you've had the items for a little while? Let me know all of your thoughts down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.